Plato was an Athenian philosopher. He was a student of Socrates who wrote so many books instead of Socrates. At least some of them, because we don't know. In the books of Plato, we see dialogue, and one of the person is talking is Socrates, and we don't need is actually Socrates speaking is Socrates idea or Plato said that things. He was the first one who founded academy. The word academy that we use started from Plato, but he had a special idea about the word. He believed in dualistic world. He said, imagine a few people are chained and stationed in a cave. They only can see the wall in front of them, and it's dark. So the light from outside goes through the cave and to the wall. People and animal and everything pass the opening of the cave, make a shadow, and that shadow that the people see, they think they are real, but they are only shadow. So we see that in the world around us, they are only shadow. They are imperfect copy of the things that other world that is perfect. He believes that. He thinks that those things like justice, beauty, and mathematics, rather than imperfect, they are a copy of the other world. He believed in two words: the world of senses, that what we see and feel, and the world of intellectual world of forms. Plato was a student of Socrates, but he was teacher also after Socrates condemned to death because of heresy. He went out, he went to a trip, and he came back. In the academy, he was teaching a student. One of his teaching was Aristotle. Aristotle was a student of Plato, one of the number one student. He joined the academy, but although he learned a lot from Plato, but he formed his own idea. Aristotle went on to develop ideas that were based on very different principles from his mentor. He was reasoning things. He didn't believe that everything here shadow of the other one. But Plato taught that everything is a reflection of heaven, like what? But Aristotle taught more like a scientist. He was reasoning, he was observed, he was experiencing world around him, he was interested in the world around him, and he had so many interests. The word ethic and metaphysics that we use today founded by Aristotle. He looked at real cases and examples, trying to find objects and ideas that had in common. So he was experiencing, he was observing, and he also founded his own school because, as always, nobody is in its proper place from ancient time until now. After death of Plato, Aristotle should manage the academy, but it they didn't accept that, and Aristotle went to a trip. He founded his own school and was teaching in that school called Lyceum.